Hey, so if your Canva design looks sharp inside the editor but comes out blurry after you download it, yeah, that's actually a super common issue. Let me show you how to fix it properly. First, make sure your design size is high enough. If your canvas is too small, Canva can't magically make it sharp later. For most designs, go bigger than you think, like full HD or even higher if needed. Next, choose the correct file type when downloading. This matters more than people think. For images, go with PNG instead of JPG. It keeps more detail. And for print, use PDF print. Now this one's important. Check the quality slider. Sometimes it's not set to maximum by default. Drag it all the way up to 100% before downloading. If you're using images or graphics that were already low resolution, yeah, scaling them up will make things blurry. Try replacing them with higher quality versions or use Canva's built-in elements instead. Also, double-check the size settings when exporting. If you're shrinking the file during download, it can lose clarity. Keep it at original size or scale up instead of down if needed. And if you need the absolute best quality, especially for text-heavy designs, export as PDF print. Then, if needed, convert it to an image afterward. That way you keep everything crisp. So, yeah, bigger canvas, PNG or PDF, max quality, and better source images. Follow those and your Canva downloads should stay sharp. Give it a try. You'll see the difference.